Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want to restrict access to a specific page in 2026, clients' content, drafts, private resources, internal pages for example, password protection is the fastest and cleanest solution. Password protected pages are built in and don't require members' accounts, payments or plugins. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to add a password protected page in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, safely, and like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, log into Squarespace, open your website and go to pages. Okay, so this is where all pages are managed. Now choose or create the page. So select an existing page or click plus to create a new page. Okay, so for example, let's choose any page. You can password protect any regular page. So open page settings, hover over the page name. Okay, for example, this one, click the settings. Okay, this is where visibility controls live. So now enable password protection. So inside pages settings, go to general or visibility. So we are in general. Okay, so enable password protection. Okay, as you can see here, we have the option for password protection. Enter a password and then tap save. Page is now locked. Visitors must enter the password to view it. The page URL stays the same. So Squarespace automatically shows a password prompt, a basic access screen. You can customize the page title, intro text. Okay, keep instructions clear and friendly. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.